The Revised Penal Code, Chapter 4, Application of Penalties, Section 1, Rules for the application of penalties to the persons criminally liable and for the graduation of the same. Article 46. Penalty to be imposed upon principals in general. The penalty prescribed by law for the commission of a felony shall be imposed upon the principals in the commission of such felonies. Whenever the law prescribes a penalty for a felony in general terms, it shall be understood as applicable to the consummated felony. Article 47. In what cases the death penalty shall not be imposed? Automatic review of death penalty cases. The death penalty shall be imposed in all cases in which it must be imposed under existing laws, except when the guilty person is below 18 years of age at the time of the commission of the crime, or is more than 70 years of age, or when, upon appeal or automatic review of the case by the Supreme Court, the required majority vote is not obtained for the imposition of the death penalty, in which cases the penalty shall be reclusion perpetua. In all cases where the death penalty is imposed by the trial court, the record shall be forwarded to the Supreme Court for automatic review and judgment by the court en banc within 20 days, but not earlier than 15 days after promulgation of the judgment or notice of denial of any motion for new trial or reconsideration. The transcript shall also be forwarded within 10 days after the filing thereof by the stenographic reporter. Article 48. Penalty for complex crimes. When a single act constitutes two or more grave or less grave felonies, or when an offense is a necessary means for committing the other, the penalty for the most serious crime shall be imposed. The same to be applied in its maximum period. Article 49. Penalty to be imposed upon the principals when the crime committed is different from that intended. In cases in which the felony committed is different from that which the offender intended to commit, the following rules shall be observed. 1. If the penalty prescribed for the felony committed be higher than that corresponding to the offense which the accused intended to commit, the penalty corresponding to the latter shall be imposed in its maximum period. 2. If the penalty prescribed for the felony committed be lower than that corresponding to the one which the accused intended to commit, the penalty for the former shall be imposed in its maximum period. 3. The rule established by the next preceding paragraph shall not be applicable if the acts committed by the guilty person shall also constitute an attempt or frustration of another crime. If the law prescribe a higher penalty for either of the latter offenses, in which case the penalty provided for the attempt or the frustrated crime shall be imposed in the maximum period. Article 50. Penalty to be imposed upon principals of a frustrated crime. The penalty next lower in degree than that prescribed by law for the consummated felony shall be imposed upon the principals in a frustrated felony. Article 51. Penalty to be imposed upon principals of attempted crime. A penalty lower by 2 degrees than that prescribed by law for the consummated felony shall be imposed upon the principals in an attempt to commit a felony. Article 52. Penalty to be imposed upon accomplices in a consummated crime. The penalty next lower in degree than that prescribed by law for the consummated felony shall be imposed upon the accomplices in the commission of a consummated felony. Article 53. Penalty to be imposed upon accessories to the commission of a consummated felony. the penalty lower by 2 degrees than that prescribed by law for the consummated felony shall be imposed upon the accessories to the commission of a consummated felony. Article 54. Penalty to be imposed upon accomplices in a frustrated crime. The penalty next lower in degree than that prescribed by law for the frustrated felony shall be imposed upon the accomplices in the commission of a frustrated felony. Article 55. Penalty to be imposed upon accessories of a frustrated crime. The penalty lower by 2 degrees than that prescribed by law for the frustrated felony shall be imposed upon the accessories to the commission of a frustrated felony. Article 56. Penalty to be imposed upon accomplices in an attempted crime. The penalty next lower in degree than that prescribed by law for an attempt to commit a felony shall be imposed upon accomplices in an attempt to commit the felony. Article 57. Penalty to be imposed upon accessories on attempted crime. The penalty lower by 2 degrees than that prescribed by law for the attempt shall be imposed upon the accessories to the attempt to commit a felony. Article 58. Additional penalty to be imposed upon certain accessories. Those accessories falling within the terms of the paragraph 3 of Article 19 of this Code who should act with abuse of their public function shall suffer the additional penalty of absolute perpetual disqualification if the principal offender shall be guilty of a grave felony, and that of absolute temporary disqualification if he shall be guilty of a less grave felony. Article 59. Penalty to be imposed in case of failure to commit the crime because the means employed or the aims sought are impossible. When the person intended to commit an offense has already performed the acts for the execution of the same, but nevertheless the crime was not produced by reason of the fact that the act intended was by its nature one of impossible accomplishment, or because the means employed by the such person are essentially inadequate to produce the result desired by him. The court, having in mind the social danger and the degree of criminally or because the means employed by such person are essentially inadequate to produce the result desired by him. The court, having in mind the social danger and the degree of criminality shown by the offender, shall impose upon him the penalty of arresto mayor or a fine ranging from 200 to 500 pesos. Article 60. Exemptions to the rules established in Article 50 to 57. The provisions contained in Articles 50 to 57, inclusive of this code, shall not be applicable to a case in which the law expressly prescribes the penalty provided for a frustrated or attempted felony or to be imposed upon accomplices or accessories. Article 61. Rules of graduating penalties. For the purpose of graduating the penalties, which according to the provisions of Articles 50 to 57, inclusive of this code, are to be imposed upon persons guilty as principals of any frustrated or attempted felony or as accomplices or accessories. The following rules shall be observed. 1. The penalty prescribed for the felony is single and indivisible. The penalty next lower in degree shall be that immediately following the indivisible penalty in the respective graduated scale prescribed in Article 71 of this code. 2. When the penalty prescribed for the crime is composed of two indivisible penalties, or of one or more divisible penalties to be imposed to their full extent, the penalty next lower in degree shall be that immediately following the lesser of the penalties prescribed in the respective graduated penal scale. 3. When the penalty prescribed for the crime is composed of one or two indivisible penalties and the maximum period of another divisible penalty, the penalty next lower in degree shall be composed of the medium and minimum periods of the proper indivisible penalty and the maximum period of that immediate following in said respective graduated scale. 4. When the penalty prescribed for the crime is composed of several periods corresponding to different indivisible penalties, the penalty next lower in degree shall be composed of that period immediately following the minimum prescribed and of the two next following, which shall be taken from the penalty prescribed, if possible. Otherwise, from the penalty immediately following in the above-mentioned respective graduated scale. 5. When the law prescribes a penalty for a crime in some manner not specifically provided for in the four preceding rules, the courts, proceeding by analogy, shall impose the corresponding penalty upon those guilty as principals of their prostrated felony or of attempt to commit the same by and upon accomplices and accessories.